Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Tatiana, and I filmed today a tutorial on this look. It's like a bronze, I don't know how I would say bronze, it's like just brown, it's a glitter tutorial. It's a brown glitter tutorial with a lighter glitter on top, I guess. I don't really know, but it's it's like my everyday look I've been using all the time, and I wanted to share how I did with you. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, comment down below what you'd like to see next. And yeah, thank you for watching. So I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and my MAC Fix Plus setting spray and dampen my sponge a little bit more. I already wet it. And I'm going to take my Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me Matte and Poreless, all the same thing, in the shade 238 Rich Tan. And I'm going to put this on the back of my hand, and I'm going to dot this all over my face. And then now I'm going to pounce this into the skin. And make sure to bring it down to the neck. You don't want to look like one of those bitches at school lying across your damn neck, like everyone gonna think you ugly. No, like really, they will. Like make sure to get around your nose. Okay, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and conceal and highlight the face. Starting with the under eyes, bringing it outwards, but directly putting the pigment under, like right here. Right here. I don't know what that's called, like the inner corner of your fucking eye. I don't know. And I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose. Sorry, that's my best friend. And around the nostril. And her and I are gonna do a collab channel, so watch out for that if it's not already up by when this is up. I'm going to blend it out with my sponge, re-dampening it with the Fix Plus, and just lightly pouncing it into the skin. Oh, I forgot to say, I already did my eyebrows off camera because I didn't really want to film it because my eyebrows, like, they never come out really that good, so I'm not trying to film a tutorial on something I really haven't mastered. Well, I haven't really mastered any of this, like, it just depends on the day if it looks good or not. I guess that's good or whatever. Oh, I just dropped my blender. Okay, now I'm going to take another sponge because I just dropped that one with my Mercier translucent powder, putting it into the lid, trying not to crease. And putting a little bit of the powder on the tip of the sponge and just rolling it in the under eye. And with this method, I'm going to bake while putting on eyeshadow. And I like to put it on my nose. And right here, because I always tend to have darkness on my lip, even if I don't have a mustache or not, or I just get waxed, I still always have darkness there. And now I'm really into eyeshadow. What look am I going for today? I'm going to take the Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas palette, and I'm going to start with the color, let's see, what color is this? Foxy on a Morphe M441. Tapping off the excess and really start with my crease. I don't really like to set my eyelid anymore. I learned this technique from Daisy. It helps make your eyeshadows more pigmented, I feel like. Just blending this into the crease lightly as my transition color. Even though this really isn't a transition color, but I'm going to use it as one today. Now I'm going to go in with the color Bossy with a Morphe M433. And just start with the outer corner and really blend this in. And I'm going to take the original M441 brush from Morphe and just blend all of this out. I'm going to go ahead and blend again on the other side. And then I'm going to take the darkest shade in the palette, Stay Sassy, on the outer corner and really smoke this out. It is so hot in here, under these lights. I swear. I'm going to take the big blending brush again and really blend. Okay. After blending, I'm going to take a Colourpop Supernova eyeshadow on Walk of Fame and put this directly on my eyelid. Okay, and while that is drying, oh shit, I went really high up. Okay, now, as my bake has been baking actually for too long, I'm going to wipe it away with my Morphe M41 brush. Okay. And now I'm going to contour with my PUR Contour Diaries. I found this at like TJ Maxx, honestly. I think it was like a holiday thing. And it was like $6.99, and I swear this is like one of the best contour palettes I've used. And I'm going to be taking my M523 brush from Morphe. Really contour. Okay guys, and this is the finished product. I really like it. Like, I love glitter. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Put your notification bell on, I guess. Like, I still don't really know how that works, but whatever. And thank you for watching, and comment down below what you would like to see next. Thank you.